General Hospital spoilers reveals that Sonny is about to face huge troubles. Fans also know that Sonny is being treated for an illness with uncontrollable bipolar symptoms, and it is because of this illness that Sonny was discovered not awake in bed with Nina. Is this the reason for Sonny to betray Carly and his marriage? Although Carly is angry at Sonny for hiding the truth all this time, she will however deal with Nina first. Carly went to Nina and asked her to give the full story of what happened in Nixon Falls, but Nina not only refused Carly's request, but also stated that she would not send Sonny away if he came to her again. Nina made her position clear and told Carly to stay on Sonny instead of coming here to annoy her, because if Sonny was frustrated by Carly's harsh attitude, she would definitely need another shoulder to lean on. But for the time being, it has not been discovered that Sonny's future actions will go against her marriage to Carly, but that is not a long-term certainty. In the episode that aired on January 10th, Sonny was informed that he had run out of rechargeable lithium batteries. This dose is so important to Sonny that he can't wait long. Sonny immediately went to Dr. Sullivan for a new prescription. Many fans felt this incident would cause a lot of trouble for Sonny because his situation is extremely complicated right now. Carly and Sonny's marriage is controversial and likely to fall apart. This time is so busy for Sonny that it is easy for him to forget to get a prescription for lithium. While it was essential to the containment of his disease, this causes even more problems. It was clear that Sonny's mind was in an unstable state. He is both worried that Carly will react harshly and doesn't know which to choose between the two women, Carly and Nina. Add in the lack of lithium and it makes for a pretty shocking event. It seems that this is the deep intention of the General Hospital screenwriters, and Sonny needs a good reason to explain his betrayal of his marriage. If there were no means for Sonny to cheat on Carly, it would be easy to cause controversy. Fans will find more empathy for Sonny, who is in a bad state, plus his symptoms of bipolar disorder. It makes sense for him to be acting inappropriate at this point. The dose of lithium is something very important to Sonny, and it affects his personal self-control. Sonny can be arranged to spend the night with Nina, leading to an unnecessary misunderstanding with his wife Carly. Nina is oblivious to Sonny's illness and simply thinks he's finally chosen her. At first, Nina felt very happy because she had actually suppressed her emotions for a long time, and it's good that Sonny has similar thoughts to Nina. However, Sonny's betrayal is very strange, and Nina senses that he is not the Sonny she used to know. Gradually, Nina saw that something was wrong and could not be left alone, so she stood up to prevent what Sonny was going to do. Either way, Sonny will go in the direction that our screenwriters have outlined. Sooner or later, he would betray Carly by having sex with Nina. This episode will take place quite thrilling and attract the excitement of the fans. Let's see how this love triangle will end. The situation is being made quite logically with a Sonny who's not in good health. Sonny easily goes wrong if not replenished lithium in time. And if so, it will reduce some guilt for Sonny when he misbehaves with Carly, but some still hope the Carson couple can get back together. General Hospital fans should be mentally prepared to accept the shocking details that are about to happen in the next episodes. The love story of Sonny, Nina, and Carly will bring the audiences many surprises in a row, so don't miss out.